Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kartick. So friends, today in this video I'm showing you that how you can make this type of money. You can see here this person $465 and this person $333 and this person is $69. These are the consistently paid by this site and continuously and every day. Even I give you that the example the how Indian peoples earn money from this site. If you scroll down you can see this is Indian people $20, and even you can see this person Indian $101. Even you can see the lots of payment are available. This is person from Pakistan, this is Bangladesh, this is Sri Lanka. Especially Asian people are earn more from this website. I give you the best three websites that you can earn similar type of money. You can see even you can earn $300 just one day. This is the just earn payment. So friends, the site is known as picoworker.com. Picoworker.com provide a lot of micro tasks. When you complete this tasks and you can get paid from this site. One task take 1 minute or even less than 1 minute. So when let's see, if you want to this earn money from this site, you first need to sign up in this site. When you sign up in this site, you can go to the home page of this site. So friends, I see I want to the login in this site, and I go to this the home page of this picoworker.com. When you sign, and this is the home page of this picoworker.com, and if you click here this find job, and you can see there is lots of micro tasks are available. One task, you can see the lots of micro tasks. This is the, if even you can sign up these tasks and complete your KYC mean you don't need even Aadhaar or PAN. Don't require any Aadhaar card or PAN card. You just put your mail, name, mail, and date of birth, and you can, if you complete, you can make $1. And this is $1. This is all are the $1. You the lots of micro tasks available. You try to complete all of this and make more money from this site. You can this just sign up and complete your KYC. This is the simple talks how you can make more money from this site. If you see is the payment, when you click here, so you can change the price range. If you click here $2 to $7, if you apply, you can see here, you just sign up, install this and sign up and complete your KYC. You can make $7. Even you can make $2, $2.6. The lots of micro talks are available in this site. This is the 100% legit website is Pico Worker. The lots of Indian peoples are working on this site and make money from this site. And there is another tips that how you can make more money from this site. You can see is the refers of it. When you click to this site, and this Pico worker gave a link, you can see here this is the link. When you copy this link and share your friends, and when your friend sign up through your link, and you can make extra 5% commission from this site. And you can try to share with Facebook, because the lots of people sign to your link, and you can make lots of money through this picoworker.com. So friends, this is the absolutely site, and this is your wallet page. When you earn money, you can click here and directly transfer your bank account to this money. So friends, let's see the second website that how you can make this similar type of money. This site is known as the micro worker. This is similar to pico worker. So friends, when you come to this micro worker site, you first need to register in this site, and then you can get this is the micro talks. There's a lot of some micro talks are available. You can see there is a lot of micro talks available. You can try to complete all of this and make more money from this site. This is this data, meaning data extraction, and resource study survey. If you complete all this survey and all this job, this take 1 minute, even less than 1 minute, and you can make $1 to $2 per micro task. So friends, this is the another website for making money. You just need to sign up and complete your tasks and make money from this site. There's a two-step to verification. When you register, all the details are gave next your pages. So friends, I give the third best website, that is the best website to generate income more from this site. This site is known as dollarclips.com. The dollarclips.com gives with extra bonus. You give your first name, last name, and nickname, and password and email ID. When you sign up, you can get 10 bonus, or you can just sign up and can earn 10-point bonus without doing nothing. You just need to sign up and you can make 10 bonus. But how you can do, I gave the example. If you click is login, and you can click here and you click your logins, and you can get the home page of this dollarclips.com. This is my home page, you can see it. But how you can make money, you can see here's a 10 point I earn, just sign up. When you come to this home page, and you can see here's the earn point. You can click here daily survey, paid survey, video unlimited. You can watch this video and make money from this site. After completing all this step, and make point and make also money, and then come to this offer wall. Offer wall is the most money making generating machine. You can see here the lots of our follower present. You can click one of this offer wall and complete this task and make money from this site. Even you can click here, so you can make 28 point. This site can gives a lots of point, and this point converted into money. And you can see here the lots of survey available. You can click one of this and complete your survey and make money from this site. You can see here's last credited. This is the latest survey. You can click here and make 50 point, 70 point, 70 point. All of these point are converted into your money. And you can see, mm, the lots of payment are paid from this site. So friend, these three website are best website to make money from online opportunities. So you don't waste your time, and you come to this site and complete your tasks and get your reward. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I provide a daily one video that you can make money from online opportunity without wasting any money or without any investment. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.